Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Pinehurst, local and long-distance movers near me. When you depend on us to perform a long-distance move, you can stay calm without worrying about any complexities. Here is the breakdown of solutions we provide: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you plan to choose a dependable long-distance moving company, you can get in touch with us. Our long-distance moving solutions will exceed all your expectations to ensure the best value for money, no matter how far you need to go. With the right Idaho moving company, your local move becomes so much easier. Do you really want to spend your time moving all your things? Even if your move is just a few streets over, it's a big job to pack up everything and move it. 3 Movers makes the process so much easier. We streamline the process of moving to make it simple and fast. A move that would take you all weekend, we can get done in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pinehurst moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.